Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel guys. So in today's video I'm gonna share with you all my go-to makeup look which I would normally wear if I'm attending any relative's wedding or party or birthday party or etc. So let's just get started with this now. So I'm gonna start off with moisturizing my face, and for that I'm using Patanjali aloe vera gel. I would normally prefer green aloe vera gel, but I'm running out of it, that's why I'm using their yellow one. So some of the products are new for me also in this video, and these aren't my regular products, but I'm gonna try some new ones right here. Now I'm gonna use this very popular concealer which is L.A.Girl Pro Conceal. This is my first time using this concealer, so yeah, I'm gonna use that one. I will mention all of my shades and everything in the description box below, so please check that out. I am applying it under my eyes and wherever I see any pigmentation or pimple mark or acne mark or anything. So that is usually around my nose and somewhere on the cheeks. I get some pimples on my cheeks, so I'm gonna try to hide that with this concealer. Now this concealer is one shade darker for me, but that is completely fine for me. I usually prefer one shade darker concealer. I'm using this small concealer blending brush to blend everything, like wherever I have applied my concealer, I'm just gonna blend it thoroughly. So that's exactly what I'm doing here. It's obviously fast forward and that's not my regular speed. I would take like half an hour to get ready. Now I'm gonna use this foundation which is Drop the Base Serum Foundation from Sugar. This is also kind of new for me. I have only used this once, so yeah. This is my shade which is 32 Cortado. I'm gonna drop the dots all over my face and then blend it with my foundation blending brush. Blending is the key, girls, okay? Keep blending, and that is only what is gonna give you a flawless base. Otherwise it's gonna stay very cakey and patchy if you don't blend everything perfectly. It's not just about foundation and concealer. You have to take your time to blend even blush or a contour or a highlighter. So yeah, just have patience and keep blending everything out perfectly. Never forget to drag the foundation towards your neck also. You can also cover your ears with foundation to just make everything even toned. So it's time to powder our face, and for that I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder in the shade 25 medium. I'm also gonna bake a little under my eyes because that's where I have put some concealer, so it's good if you bake it. Otherwise it's not really necessary because you are using very light coverage concealer and foundation. So I'm just gonna bake a little, and rest of my face I'm gonna use the same powder. For my brows, I'm gonna use Maybelline Fashion Brow Eyebrow Pencil. Now this pencil comes with this powder thingy at the back, which is very convenient because it can really blend everything perfectly. So I really like the fact that it comes with the powder thingy at the back. So this is the pencil part which I'm showing right now, and this is the swatch. And this one is this powder thing which comes with its own sponge. So I'm just gonna fill in my brows very light-handed. I don't like to go overboard with my foundation. So first I'm gonna brush my brows with this spoolie brush, and then gonna fill in very light-handed, and then I will apply this um, powder thingy which comes with it. For today's eyeshadow, I'm taking the nudes from Maybelline. I just realized I have used most of the Maybelline products, but yeah, this is how the palette looks like. This is must-have palette, girls. Everyone should have this in their vanity. I'm taking this lighter shade, lighter brown shade on my eyelids, and I'm just gonna put this all over my crease.
Don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes.
Then I'm gonna take slightly darker brown shade, and I'm just gonna place it on the outer corner of my eyes. I'm not gonna blend it completely. I'm just gonna place it very light-handed. I don't want like very smoky eye look, but I just need some definition in my eyes. That's why I'm using the darker brown color. I'm just gonna place it on the outer corner of my eyes. Now comes the star product, which is completely gonna change the entire look, and this is my favorite step to add some shimmer on my eyelids. And for that, today I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild metallic liquid eyeshadow, and this is going to be my favorite eyeshadow from now on, girls. It's so beautiful, and it's just, you know, one coat of it and your entire look changes in 10 seconds. So yeah, this is my favorite. So all you have to do is you just have to place it where you want. Like I'm gonna place it all over my eyelid, like not entirely but just above my upper lash line. So I'm gonna do that, and you have to be very quick with blending because it dries up pretty fast. So you first apply it on your desired place and then quickly blend it so that there is no harsh edges whatsoever. Now I'm gonna dust off the powder which I placed for baking, and I'm just gonna go through my entire face so that I lock the complete foundation and everything in its place. It's Hoola Bronzer time, girls. Oh my god, I cannot believe I'm showing this and sharing this with you guys in my video. Like, I could have never imagined in my life that I would ever have benefit Hoola Bronzer. But thank you so much, Jinal, once again for gifting this to me and making my dream come true. So I'm just gonna use this bronzer to give my face some color. I'm gonna apply this on my forehead and near my ears and where we contour and bronze normally. So I'm just gonna do that. This bronzer is bomb as f. Okay, this is so nice. I totally get now, like I totally get why it is so popular all over the world. It's just perfect. For blush, I'm using L.A.Girl Blush Collection Glow Palette, and I'm using this peach color blush. This is very nice and very natural tone blush. I think this is gonna suit almost every skin tone we have in India. And it is so natural and so like it gives you sun-kissed look. That's why I liked it so much. So I'm just gonna place it on the cheekbones and some on my nose also. I've recently started putting blush on my nose and I'm really liking the effect it gives. So yeah, I'm just gonna blush my face now. For highlighter, I'm using Savannah Colors Bronze Highlighter Palette. I'm taking this rose gold highlighter and putting this on my cheekbones. This highlighter isn't that pigmented, but you can totally build this up. If you want that, blind highlighter shade, then this is not something you should go for. Like you have to apply so much to give that effect to your face. But I still like it because you can use this on daily basis also. So yeah, for that this is a great highlighter to have. I'm taking the same highlighter and putting that on the inner corner of my eyes. I'm putting it very light handed because sometimes I can really get overboard with it and it looks very chunky and very glittery. So yeah, I was being very careful. Now I'm taking this mascara from Sugar, which is Uptown Curl Lengthening mascara, and I'm applying this on my upper eyelashes and lower eyelashes. Now to complete the look, I'm taking the Sugar Matte Held Crayon in the shade 20 Lily Aldrin. This is going to be my favorite shade for a while now. This is so beautiful, so perfect, and so the correct amount of nude, and this matches my skin tone like crazy. So this is going to be my favorite now. Now to finish the look, you can also use the setting spray. I'm not gonna use this because it's expensive one and I'm gonna save it for the special occasions. But this is my complete look. I hope you guys liked it and learned something from this because it's very easy, okay? Everyone can do it for sure. So thank you so much guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video and share this with your friends and family. Wait for my next video. Until then, bye bye.